Mahlalela?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Mahlalela. I'm Constable Chaneta from the local police.
Okay.
I'm here concerning Nomalanga Sibanda. Do you know her?
Do
you know her?
Yes.
Okay. She opened a case against you for sexual harassment. Do you understand that?
Sexual.
You don't understand. What she's saying is you touched her in a way that she didn't like and she didn't permit you. Yes, that's what she said.
Are you saying
she's lying?
No, the lady officer, the lady was shaking too much.
So if she was shaking, does it give you the right to touch her? Can I ask you something, Mahlalela?
Yeah.
Is she your girlfriend or your wife?
It's not my wife, but the lady was shaking.
So how can you touch a woman who is not your girlfriend, who is not your wife, her palms without her permission?
No, the lady was shaking his body parts. I just hold like this, officer, like this. Then I recommend the lady. The lady.
You could have done that verbally than touching her. You see, as I'm here, Mahlalela, I'm here to arrest you. As I am here, I'm here to arrest you.
Yeah, but
I'm here to take you to the police station.
For what, officer?
For sexual harassment. You explain everything at the police station.
The lady was shaking his body parts. It's not allowed. Because I'm a man.
You are a man, but it does not give you the right to touch women.
I just recommend the lady.
But you should not have touched her. Now, we have to go to the police station.
But if you recommend something, you have to hold it and touch
it
and then recommend. I just said the lady you are gifted.
Listen,
office.
I told you.
I think we have
as
to
I'm here,
officer,
I'm here to arrest you, to take you to the police.
Officer, allow me to explain myself. Allow me. Officer, I think on your duties, you have to introduce some section or a little section that allows stop ladies to shake too much.
You must be playing. If that is how she's built, is it a sin?
But
you have no right to touch her. So if you've got a problem, we'll talk at the police station.
No, I don't have a problem.
I don't want to waste any of my time here with you explaining things that I don't understand. Let's go to the police station.
But the lady is the one that makes me...
Are you refusing? Are you resisting?
I'm not resisting.
Let's go to the police station. You explain yourself there.
Officer, let me just give me...
You explain everything at the police station. Come on, let's go.
Officer,
my friend, help your friend with this.
Yeah, but officer, what I'm saying, officer, just give me a chance.
You get your chance to talk at the police station.
Let me explain something.
You get your time there.
You can get
someone to...
Yeah, but officer, the lady was shaking. I'm not resisting.
Come on, let's go.
But let me listen, officer. The lady was shaking.
You had no right to touch her.
Yes.
You are violating her.
I know I'm...
Let's go. You explain everything at the...
Come on, let's go. Even here, it doesn't have...
Come on, you explain everything.
Was shaking too much.
You explain everything at the police station. Come on, let's go.
We are